Hi guys, welcome to another video. And today, I am going to show you how to set up a Gmail vacation responder. In the top right corner, click the gear icon, then select See All Settings. Next, go to the General tab and scroll all the way down to find the vacation responder section. Now, set the start date and the end date for your auto reply. Once you're done, type in the subject for your response. For example, out of office. Then, in the message box, write the reply you want people to receive while you're away. You can include details like when you'll be back and who to contact in your absence. Once you're done typing in your message, you can change the font, and turn your text bold. Also, if you want your response to go only to people in your contacts, check the box that says Send responses only to people in my contacts. Then save changes. And that's it. Your vacation responder is now active, and Gmail will automatically reply to your incoming messages during the dates that you set.